Yes! It's snowing! This is a proper snow day. We're all dressed up. We got the unicorn, we got the flamingo, we got the dog, and we can go play in the snow. Hopefully slide down the hill. Grom is absolutely loving it. But check how much snow there is, it's so good. Hey? There's no cars, just let him off. Nobody's driving in this. What are you doing, Grom? Yeah, boy!
Go and play! I don't know if we're gonna last forever.
They'll be alright. They were like £6 each. Oh, gotta get through the gate.
Probably over, wouldn't it?
Hey? Check how many people are out just gonna play in the snow. Grom, what are you doing? We blew these out before we came out, and it's so cold that they've instantly deflated. So we're gonna have to put a bit of puff in to get them inflated before we slide down the hill. Come! Come!
Savoring this moment, this is our last goodbye.
So we are at the top of the hill, and everyone is having an amazing time. Look out, everyone's sledging. We're about to give it a go on Mr. Unicorn and Mr. Flamingo.
I feel paralyzed. Now I know it's over. I see you passing by, hand in hand, with your perfect light. My body, a ghost town, feels like someone cut out my tongue. I didn't know a heart could die this young. Oh, now when I look in your eyes, I feel paralyzed.
Oh man, how much fun was that? We've been sledging crazy. Unfortunately, we did kill the flamingo. He didn't do so well, But what a beautiful snow day. It's been absolutely incredible. Just look at this. Oh, I'm so tired now. My legs are killing me. I'm walking up and down the hill. But definitely worth it. I think it's definitely time for chicken nuggets and for coffee.
Chicken nuggets? You should make an Irish latte.
We should make Irish lattes. That sounds amazing. Let's walk through. Oh, it is just incredible up here.
It's so fluffy.
You're not a snow dog at all. So we're nearly home. It's a bit of a tough walk through the snow, but we're nearly there. Emma's way back there. I don't know what she's doing, but we'll show you our car in a second. It's absolutely just frozen solid. And this is our neighborhood. Look at that, it's proper, just white out. There is snow everywhere. So there's our old car. There's our old car stuck in the snow there. And yeah, not ideal. Check out the icicles on the bottom of our car. For somebody that lives in Canada, that's probably not a big deal, but for someone that lives in England, that's quite mental.